Welcome to the Drone Network. Hey guys, how you doing? So you guys already know tonight's Friday, and we already know where we all congregate and hang out on Friday nights. We've been doing it now for the past 17 shows. Wow, what an amazing 17 straight shows and have not missed one. We've had a few hiccups in there, but we have not missed one. Thank you so much to Neil, Captain Cook, Crystal from Crystal's Crazy Corner, because without the three of us working together, it would not happen. So, congratulations, guys, on that. And hey, guys, so tonight, Friday, at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, join us on Captain Cook's channel. You guys already know my big brother Neil, so. Alright guys, we're hoping to see everyone there. I'm hoping everyone has a safe and happy holiday. And we'll see you guys tonight. Like I said, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah. So come on, hang out. You guys know you want to. It's a long weekend, so you never know. You never know what you might see the Drone Network this weekend sometime. So like I said, we have a special co-host that's joining us. Guys got to stop by. Some got a sneak peek last night. Some did not. So unless you talk amongst each other, you won't know unless you stop by. So stop on by and check us out, guys. Thank you so much. You guys really know we really appreciate you guys, and we really know you guys really appreciate us for doing the Drone Network. That's why we do it. One big happy family, and that's what it's all about.